Hey, welcome back to Afton Woodworks. Another completion video for you. First of all, knock these out. This is pretty simple. This is just a bar cutting board for lemons, limes, and you can kind of get the idea here. You start with an empty glass, add some ice, add your favorite liquor, add some fruit, and what do you have? A nice holiday cocktail. So made 5 of these. I upgraded my CNC game from the Shaper Origin, which I still have, and I think that plays a very interesting role within woodworking. But I upgraded to a Onefinity CNC, which is just a wonderful machine, very accurate, etc. So got 5 of these going out. See who's the lucky, who's been naughty, and who's been nice. But then I made myself something because I've been nice. In all seriousness, the cutting board or carving board I had for holidays was really big, really long, really big, and it started to warp after about 10 years. Still suitable, but thought it was time to make a new one. So this one's a little bit smaller. I think it's 25 by 20 roughly. Boom! There it is. So this is made out of hard maple, walnut here, and you can see I've got our last name initial inlaid in there. So this is where I think this Onefinity just totally shined. This inlay here is just so precise. The walnut going into the maple, fantastic. And then this juice groove here is just so easy. As long as you're centering off the center, this is going to be the same outline as this, proportionally all the way across. You can see here I did a little bit of curvature on it just to add some interest to it. And this will be a nice carving board for the holiday meal. Looking on the back, I've inlaid or inserted my logo. Hopefully that's picking that up. Just very, very nice. I've got breadboard ends on it, so this piece, this cap piece, should remain for years to come. That was not done on the CNC, and honestly, I struggled with that for some reason. My router table is maybe a little off or something, but it would start. It wasn't completely in line with this board. You may say, well, maybe your board's cupped, etc. The nice thing with the Onefinity is I used a flattening bit on both sides, which just was amazing, because something this big is not going to fit through obviously your planer. I do have a drum sander, but that's a little flaky. The flattening bit on the Onefinity did such a nice job of just cleaning this up and making everything in line, smooth, etc. So I'm excited to use this. I've got a coat of Osmo top oil on it. I might sand it and do one more coat. That'll be the 3rd coat. And then it'll be ready for the holiday carving this week. So I wish everybody, all of my followers, a very happy holiday season. Merry Christmas to you. Happy Hanukkah, etc. I'm a Christian, so I'm going to say Merry Christmas. And I hope that these inspired you to get out in your workshop and make something interesting. Merry Christmas.